In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone of your Google Calendar. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it too. If you travel a lot or if you just want your Google Calendar to stay in the same time zone, I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is to open Google Calendar. You can do that by simply going to Google, and then you can select this little icon right here that shows you about 9 little dots, and then you will select Google Calendar right here. I'm going to use this as an example. Of course, you're going to have all your meetings and all your information right here. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the settings menu. This is going to be right next to week in the right hand corner. Then you will select settings. And the first thing that you're going to see is actually going to be language and region. And I think Google does this because they know that there's nothing worse than missing a meeting because you have a different time zone, and that happens a lot, especially if you travel and then Google changes your time zone. So here is where you can change it. Right here you can select your language, your country, the date format that you want to have, the time format, and then right here a little bit below, you can even click on time zone. And you can select which is going to be your primary time zone. If you want to add a second one, you can just click right here and enable that option in case you travel back and forth between two places. So let's say I travel between New York, so I'm going to label my first one as Eastern Time New York, and then maybe Madrid. I'm going to add the name to it. And as you can see right here at the bottom, you're going to see that your settings were saved. If you go back by simply clicking on this little arrow that you see right here, you're going to have 2 time zones in case you want to have that on your Google Calendar. Or if you didn't add a secondary time zone, your time zone will simply be changed to the one you picked. And that's it. I hope that helped.